Ever notice how stress doesn't just drain you, it drives you straight to food? It's not lack of discipline. It's your body trying to feel safe again. Let's talk about what's really happening when stress makes you eat. I'm Armand, and for over 50 years, I've helped people to access the alpha and theta brainwave levels. And that's why losing weight the easy way is even possible. It's not about fighting cravings. It's about changing the state that creates them in the first place. I'm the world's first advanced neuro life coach, and my work blends neuroscience with consciousness, helping people to access states like the alpha and theta brainwave states, where balance and emotional stability come naturally. When you're stressed, your brain floods your body with cortisol, a survival hormone. Cortisol shuts down digestion and triggers a craving for quick energy. That's why stress always pulls you towards sugar or carbs. It's chemistry, not willpower. You see, emotional eating happens when your mind is craving life force, not calories. You're trying to fill an energetic gap with food. When you reconnect to the calm energy inside, the craving fades on its own. When you lower your brainwaves into alpha and theta, your nervous system resets. Your body feels safe again, and the urge to eat just to feel better, it disappears. That's why I say that weight loss does not start with food. It starts with state. I've seen people go from binging every night to actually forgetting to overeat. Okay, seriously. Not by trying harder, by getting calmer first. When the mind relaxes, the craving dissolves. It's that simple. If this connects with you, book a private consultation with me personally, and you'll also get your ticket to the Alpha Experience Masterclass, where you'll actually experience the alpha state for yourself. Because most people have heard of alpha and theta, but have never experienced it. You need to experience it for yourself. That's the only way that you know. Nobody can really explain that to you. It's a feeling. Okay? How do you explain a feeling? I mean, it doesn't work that way, okay? And you'll find the link in the description below. If this helped you understand emotional eating differently, watch my next video, Why Dieting Destroys Your Metabolism. You'll learn why slowing down, not speeding up, is the ultimate secret to weight control.